Let's do it.
Or trout or any species to catch bait is easy. Use it to beat these, believe me. Nothing is pleasing as fishing. If you ain't trying to trip, you really don't know what you're missing. Got me itching, rod twitching, got me feeding for the bite. All I hear is real screaming when I'm dreaming at night.
It's a keeper, dude.
Nah. I wish. Chill out. I wish. 14 inches. Got another one. Don't know. Don't know.
Drive that hook home, dude. Drive that hook home. Drive that
Damn
hook
it,
home.
Bobby.
I say we nominate somebody else to give the fishing tips on Tuesday for the Wednesday night. I set that hook. There's a load of fish in there.
He didn't. Still don't think he'll keep me.
Hooking up doubles over here. We found the nursery. There you go, Zach. Oh, that's a better one. Stays on. He's hitting every single freaking piece of grass.
We got the pliers in the net, and that thing on the fishing cat.
Cat, disregard.
You want him in the net?
That was the fish I seen on the forward facing. No, yeah, I guess so. Alright. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Oops. About fail.
Kitty cat. Thanks, big homie. Secret time. While I'm tying up that other Ned rig, I cannot make another cast with 2 poles. But I could put this one out there while I'm working. The only problem is, with my luck, it's going to get wrapped around the trolling motor somehow. So we're going to try to avoid that. Oh, also, leave your bail open when you do that trick. Black or blue, because I can't get bit on this thing for some reason.
You sling it off?
Yeah?
Well, I think I got the better one.
The big one?
He's a keeper.
Alright, well, went a little deeper. Zach's got the first keeper.
There you go.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a keeper. 100%. Big spot. That's a large amount, ain't it?
Keeper number 2.
That's a big spot. Get it? Hey!
The pro tip. The how-to section. It's a keeper, dude. That's a keeper, dude.
Yeah, that's a spot, ain't it? Shoot, yeah, we got 3!
Thank you, Zach, for taking me on this nice boat.
Giving you all the fishing lessons.
Giving me all these fishing lessons. Compliment the other day, dude. Somebody messaged me and said they really appreciate my videos. Thank you very much for doing that. Gives me a little bit of confidence.
That was way out there, wasn't it?
Done enough, done enough.
Oh.
Woohoo! What is that, number 30? Oh, he closed my hook for me too. See? That didn't take long.
Pretty good.
I never get any credit for putting Zach on the fish, even though he catches the fire out of them. Gosh damn it, son.
It just must be biting the tail out of it.
Was that you ringing, vibrating a minute
That
ago?
was you.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm on Do Not Disturb, so that means they had to call twice. Should be in them now, dude. That's her.
That's there you go.
Should be in them now, and I caught one. The biggest fish of the night. Bam! That's right. Should be in them now, Zach. Alright. Can't dig around. We need 3 more.
Yep.
2 more. And a big one.
Good job, Mr. Ben. Good job.
He's broken down.
Is he?
Gotta be. He's calling me to see if I got any fish, is what he's doing.
Yeah.
If that's the case,
This is what we upgraded. From this to that big one he just caught. Going back.
I just ran it through a bunch of bruisers. A bunch of bruisers, dude. Oh!
If you'd have just waited.
That was badass, dude. It was too small. It was not bigger than what we got.
You know what you see on the water?
Yeah.
That's when I turned mine.
It's a big one. No, it was stuck. It was stuck.
You sure?
Yeah, it was stuck, dude. What was that? Can it help?
It might help. Alright, I don't think it will. No. Glad I brought this hoodie.
Got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. Be a good one. Be a good one. Be a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, a fish. Yep. Dang, flip. It's a big one. That's for sure. A team is down. Count on the B team back there. Zach called a spot. Nice spot. Got a guppy right there. Process here. Okay. Leave me some love. Seven.
Play this side, man.
Good.
Good fish.
There you go. You need 3 of these. 990.
608. Nice fish. Good job.
I had like an 8-pounder calling my wacky rig.
Story of my life, buddy.
What's up, fellers?
Come here, last one.
G1 Ben.
Nice job.
Yeah.
There you go.
1167.
Nice job.
I got Misty. 509.
509. How did?
Sometimes they worth more than the fish are. Pretty small for a hell. It works.
It did work. Hey,
Bring it. Yeah. 860.
860.
Oh, you got 3 of these? Most of it. Oh yeah. Good job. 1120.
I love it. Grab it, baby. Come on, let him take your picture. Look at the picture. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
You need to hold as much fish like this when you go home.
Thanks, pal.
861.
I got jail. I got Fowler.
Do what?
You been?
I've been trying. That's Florida. Yeah.
958. Truthful fish.
Can't catch any sign.
7.
Been 47 anglers tonight. First place with 1167. Owensby and Owensby.
Good job, guys.
Good job.
Appreciate it, man. Good job.
Yes, sir.
Second place with 1120. Willis and Willis. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Third place with 995. Kilgore and Hurd. I just saw them walk down there. Big Fish at 608. Clint Wilburn. Good job, Clint.
Good job, Clint.
All right, guys. See you guys next week.
Wednesday Nighters go every weekend on Wednesday, 5 p.m. blast off Central at Marion County Park.
Every weekday.